This is not Texas. This is not Los Angeles. This is the heart of Mashhad. On a Friday night, a new generation walks these streets. Coffee in their hands, cigarettes in the cold air, laughing, walking, just being young. I didn't expect to see this here. But this is real. No filters, no narration, just the night. Walk with me and see if you're as surprised as I was. We start right here, the Texas-style crew. Boots, loose jackets, confident walk. If you showed this frame to someone without context, they wouldn't guess Mashhad. But this is Mashhad, and this is Friday night. As we move forward, the street gets louder. More faces, more energy. Couples walking side by side. Friends laughing too loud. Someone fixing their hair in a shop window reflection. It doesn't feel staged. It feels effortless. You can sense something changing. Not loud, not rebellious, just different.
يلا باص يجي الفرق.
Coffee cups everywhere. This isn't about luxury, it's about routine. For many of them, this is the weekend ritual. Walk, talk, coffee, smoke, repeat. And then we reach the coffee shop. Look at the line. Nobody rushing, nobody hiding, just waiting for their name to be called. In a city known for tradition, this is another layer of reality. Now, here's the interesting part. We turn around, same street, same people, but it feels different. When you walk back, you notice details you missed before. The confidence, the eye contact, the way this generation owns the night in their own quiet way. It's not about breaking rules, it's about living inside them differently. And suddenly, we're back where we started. Same corner, same lights. But now you've seen the full circle. The walk out, the walk back. Two directions, one story. If this surprised you, you're not alone. There's more of this side of Mashhad on this channel. Check the full Iran Night Walk playlist and see how each neighborhood tells a different story. And if you want to see the real streets, not headlines, not stereotypes, subscribe, because every week we walk again.